After the massive impulse move up in Dogecoin, we're finally starting to see that sell-off, and a lot of bearish signals have posted on Dogecoin. So I wanted to provide this update and show you where I think Dogecoin is heading next. Let's get started. Just as an update, the Dogecoin logo is still there for Twitter. I honestly only expected it to last for maybe 1 or 2 days. It makes me wonder how long is Elon actually going to let this go for? I mean, I guess for now, as far as we can tell, Doge is the new Twitter logo. With that, follow us on Twitter. We're going to post some information that we won't always post to the Telegram, so that's always a good place to get other updates. And with that, let's check out the charts. Here we are on the TradeConfident.io website. We're going to scroll down here to Dogecoin. Now, I said this in this morning's video, but our order for our metrics has changed. It's the only thing that's changed. We haven't added or taken away any metrics or anything. We just found this to be a better workflow. So jumping into it, on the Dogecoin Emotional Index, we saw a massive pump into the greedy territory for this metric. This isn't shocking, as the massive pump in the price itself will typically show a lot of excited and especially greedy readings on just about any coin. Most often when we see readings in either greedy or excited, this is where we're seeing those moves down in the market. So not shocking to see a correlated move down this time around too. Next up, you're looking at the Dogecoin Volatility Breakout Detector, and volatility is going to be one of the most important things that traders need to look out for. Volatility is what makes money in this market. Where the price goes, that's where your profits are going to go to. And I don't think it's any shock to anyone that this was a highly volatile move. It pushed Dogecoin into high volatility. I think we are still seeing some volatility on the horizon here. I think we still have a further move down to go. And with that, let's check out what Whale Smart Money is thinking. As of right now, whales are more likely to put short trades into the market. This is shown with these orange bars here. Typically, we're looking for a metric value of -800 or lower for the move down. And I mean, we absolutely crushed that reading even before this move happened. So I don't think it's a surprise to anyone that that move down is continuing. Next up is Dogecoin major support and resistance levels. Now, support and resistance is the bread and butter of technical analysis. Prices are most likely to, I mean, they're going to magnetize to support and resistance levels. It's just kind of like a psychological level that people are going to be paying attention to, and really all that these charts are is just mapping human behavior behind buying and selling an asset. As of right now, the target that I'm checking out right now is 7.889 cents. Next up is Dogecoin long versus short trades. This is a different way to actually chart that human behavior. We can see here, as a direct result of the change in logo, we got a sharp increase in long trades, and after that, right about this peak, long trades actually dipped out while short trades increased at the same time, and that will typically result in moves down in the market. Long trades are still moving out of the market. Short trades are likely taking profit at this point. So we are going to see this slow down, but not completely stop yet. Last but not least is that daily trade scanner. This is where we got a strong sell signal that perfectly correlated to the drop. I'm really happy to see that strong signal placed where it was. Now, as this continues to play out, I wouldn't be shocked to see a buy signal pop soon. And if we get that buy signal, along with metric readings here that show a positive movement, that is when I'm expecting to see a possible entry for Dogecoin. So you're going to want to have access to all of these metrics when it becomes relevant. And in order to grab them, you're going to want to check out the links in the description down below. Just scroll down, click show more, and it's going to be the very first link right here. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to the membership page. Now, the Dogecoin metrics are actually available with the basic and full access memberships. The basic access for $29 a month will give you access to 10 coins, our daily trade scanners where we got that strong sell signal, and a few other features. However, the full access is what I recommend. It's only $59 a month. You get way more value with 20 coins worth of metrics, future forecast videos, and Zoom coaching every single month. That's some members only content, as well as scalping trade calls where we are 10 wins and 0 losses right now, and we are actively looking for new trades. So click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. Let's check out the live charts. Here we are looking at Dogecoin on the 1-day time frame. We got the price versus while money flow and trend exhaustion here. They both peaked and are on their way back down. And at this point, I'm mainly paying attention to the whale money flow indicator. This is what we're using to look behind the scenes and really spy on the whales. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go to. And this is exactly what we're seeing right now. Whale money is being pushed out of the market as indicated by the green line here moving to the downside. This correlates directly to a drop in the price as well. Now, as this moves down, I do expect the price to continue moving down. And from there, we will be looking for the trend exhaustion to move into its bottom red sections. And as soon as we see that, that tells me that the trend is oversold, especially when the price versus while money flow is low. From there, all we're looking for is a buy signal. And if we get all three of these, that will be a almost guaranteed, of course, nothing is absolutely certain, but nearly guaranteed sign of the next move up for Dogecoin. Now we know what to look for, but what is the target that we should be looking for this to happen at? Now, if you remember the metrics that I just showed you, you'll remember there is structure support right about here at 7.88. I think it was 7.884 cents on the metric, but we're going to call it an even 7.88 cents. This has multiple touches right here, right here, right here, multiple ones right here. And this is actually the open of the candle that saw a massive, let me pull out the ruler here, a massive 38% move up after Elon Musk posted the Doge logo as the new Twitter logo. So from the current price, this is actually, let me pull out the measuring tool again, from where we are at right now, this would account for about an 8.76% move down to meet structure support at 7.88 cents. Again, at that point, as the price drops, whale money will have dropped because whale money is pulling the price down. Once we see whale money down, once we see trend exhaustion down, if we get a buy signal, even if we're just at this structure support and we see these two low, that could be our next entry for Dogecoin. So be on the lookout for that. You're going to want to sign up for our membership down in the links below. That's where we're going to be telling everyone of our next moves for Dogecoin or any other coin in the crypto market. And if you want to get access to these indicators that are absolutely crushing it in this market, I can get you all 11 indicators for up to $400 off right now. Let me show you how to do that. Once again, you're going to want to check out the links down below in the description. Just scroll down, click show more, and the indicators will be the second link right here. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our indicator page, and the best possible deal will be to purchase the bundle pack first. This will include the trend exhaustion and price versus while money flow, as well as 7 other indicators. In the bundle pack, you're going to get a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder. Now, buying all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators with that $400 off coupon will actually be cheaper than buying just the TC top and bottom finder alone. No matter what you get, it's lifetime access for a one-time payment, and you get full dedicated email support. So please feel free to email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com. Thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.